Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. In today's video, we are doing an Esthetician State Board Study Guide part number 4. So if you are currently studying for your state board exam, be sure to stay until the end. Remember that information is not limited to the one shown in this video, and I highly recommend that you read over your textbook for more information on each subject. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and like always, good luck on your exam. Now let's get started. Number 1, what is the deepest layer of the dermis that is mainly composed of collagen and elastin and is weakened by UV rays from sun damage? The answer is the reticular layer. The deepest layer of the dermis is the reticular layer. This layer, you guys, is primarily composed of dense, irregular connective tissue, which includes a high concentration of collagen and elastin fibers. These fibers provide strength, elasticity, and structural support to the skin. The reticular layer can be weakened by UV rays from sun damage, again, leading to decrease in the skin's elasticity and firmness, which again contributes to the formation of wrinkles and other signs of aging. Number 2, what is hepatitis? The answer is, it is a blood-borne virus that causes disease and can damage the liver. Number 3, what does diplococci cause? The answer is pneumonia. Number 4, what are the levels of decontamination? The answer is cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization. Number 5, where on the body is the stratum lucidum found? The answer is palms of hands and soles of the feet. Number 6, what is a modelage mask? The answer is thermal mask. A modelage facial mask, also known as a thermal or heat mask, is a type of facial treatment that involves the application of a thick mineral-rich paste that hardens and generates heat as it sets. Number 7, what is eczema? The answer is, it is an inflammatory, itching disease of the skin, can be acute or chronic in nature with dry or moist lesions. Number 8, what is another term used to describe sodium hypochlorite? The answer is household bleach. Number 9, what are the male hormones that stimulate sebaceous glands? The answer is androgens. Number 10, what is the term used when a disease spreads from person to person by contact? The answer is communicable disease. Number 11, what is the term used when the client's skin has been accidentally cut during a service? The answer is exposure incident. Number 12, which galvanic electrode polarity is negative, black, and marked with an N or a minus sign? The answer is cathode. Number 13, what ingredient delivers oxygen into the pores that kills bacteria and provides mild exfoliation and has anti-inflammatory properties? The answer is benzoyl peroxide. Number 14, what is the process of forcing positive liquids into the tissue from the positive pole towards the negative pole? The answer is cataphoresis. Movement of cations, positively charged particles, towards the cathode, the negative electrode. Number 15, what is the electrode that is positive, red, and marked with a P or a plus sign? The answer is anode. Number 16, when performing disincrustation, you are performing what? The answer is anaphoresis. Movement of anions, negatively charged particles, towards the anode, the positive electrode. Number 17, how do we usually determine skin type during a facial service? The answer is we check for pore size and oil distribution. Number 18, what is the term used to describe skin that lacks natural oils? The answer is alopetic. The skin produces very little to no sebum, leading to dryness. Number 19, which term is used for a condition of the skin where the skin is thickened by a mass of keratinized cells? The answer is hyperkeratosis. The skin may appear thickened, rough, and scaly. In some cases, it can lead to the formation of calluses, corns, or other skin lesions. Number 20, what is a small elevation on the skin that contains no fluid but may develop pus? The answer is papule. Now, once it develops pus, it becomes a pustule. Number 21, hives are an example of a. The answer is wheel. Number 22, what nerves are responsible for recognizing touch, cold, heat, taste, smell, sight, hearing, pain, and pressure? The answer is sensory nerves. Number 23, the stratum spinosum is the layer where the cells develop tiny spines that assist in. The answer is binding all cells tightly together. Number 24, what is the system that contains the organs that help to process air? The answer is the respiratory system. Number 25, what is the term for the ability of a product to produce favorable results? The answer is efficacy. Number 26, polarity is the property of having what poles of an electric current? The answer is positive and negative. Number 27, miliaria rubra is known as. The answer is prickly heat or heat rash. Number 28, effleurage is a massage technique that involves constant movement of light, slow gliding, and the answer is stroking. Number 29, a bulla is a large blister containing. The answer is clear, watery fluid. Number 30. The middle portion of a muscle is the answer is belly or midsection. Number 31. This machine can be used after disincrustation, before extractions, and also in place of a massage. The answer is the vacuum suction machine. Number 32. Quads is a short term for the Salon disinfectant known as quaternary ammonium compounds. These compounds are formerly used as disinfectants in salons and other settings to kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi on surfaces. Number 33. The cranium is made up of how many bones? The answer is 8. We have the 1 frontal bone, 2 parietal bones, 2 temporal bones, 1 occipital bone, 1 sphenoid bone, and 1 ethmoid bone. That's a total of 8. Number 34. What is an example of a local infection? The answer is an abscess. Last question, number 35. What is a heat effect that is used for permanent hair removal? The answer is thermolysis. Well, that concludes this video. I hope you're finding all of this information helpful. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new, please consider subscribing. Thank you for your continued support. You guys, let's keep going. Let's keep growing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.